All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to use your Tesla key card to get in and out of your car. First off, the Tesla key card is a sleek credit card sized piece of tech that lets you lock, unlock, and start your Tesla without needing your phone or key fob. It's especially useful if you're just running a quick errand or where you prefer something smaller than your phone. To unlock your Tesla, simply tap the key card against the driver's side door pillar, which is just to the right of the door handle. You'll hear the car unlock, and then you can open the door. Next, to start your car, all you need to do is place the key card on the center console. The spot is located near the cup holders. Once it's in place, the car will power up and you're good to go. To lock the car, just tap the key card on the driver's side door pillar again, and you'll hear the car lock. It's that simple. The Tesla key card is a secure and convenient backup to your phone or key fob. And as always, be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.